That's just not right, buddy. You just picked that up with your feet and then grabbed it. Can you try again? Are you gonna get really frustrated? Here, try again. Put it down here more. Oh, big yawn, it's hard work. Oopsie. Ready? Try again. Close, bud. Close. You almost got it. Here. Here we go. Good job, sweetie pie. Good job.